My brother, Charles Spring, is 15 years old and a year 11 at Truham Grammar. In my opinion, he is the nicest person in the history of the universe.
And the cops do the best they can. They pull the axe out your face and say, "Was it the boogeyman?"
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Spider-Man! It's Spider-Man! Spider-Man! He's coming to Fortnite!
Yep, Khaenri'ah in 60 seconds.
What is Khaenri'ah? The easiest answer to this question is that it is a country like Mondstadt and Liyue, but unlike them, they weren't ruled over by God. Khaenri'ah is a godless underground nation that claimed to be the pride of humanity. Because nothing grew in their dark realm, they specialized in chemia or alchemy, and they invented militaristic machines like ruin guards and who knows what else. From this, their advancement in knowledge was far superior than the rest of the world. So much so that Celestia saw it as the arrogation of mankind and ordered gods to descend upon the immortal realm and wreak destruction to this nation. This downfall cursed many Khaenri'ah people into primitive villagers, but everything else about their history was wiped clean from the books. Where is this country? What of the guard who failed to protect their people? Or Gold the Alchemist? Or their last hope, Kaya Albrecht? Who knows? For now,
what if Khaenri'ah's name is not its real name? I'm your leafy Lord Shira Minsleaf, and I need you to hear me out. According to Twitter users Cly16x and Oryxified, the name Khaenri'ah consists of the Arabic words Khan, meaning winds, and Ri'ah, meaning betrayers. Now Khaenri'ah has an abundance of Old Norse names. For example, Dainslif, Reindotir, Halfdan, Edgetho, etc. Much like Enkonomiya has other names such as Byakyokoku and Tokyokoku. I wonder if Khaenri'ah has a name of Old Norse origin. This is just a theory, but I was wondering if saying Khaenri'ah's native name would incite a tracking curse from Celestia, similar to the way saying Voldemort's name works in Harry Potter. The Arabic origin is particularly interesting to me because I wonder if there were many survivors that fled to Sumeru after the Cataclysm. I'm personally hoping to learn more about Khaenri'ah when we get to Sumeru.
Khaenri'ah was a nation without a god, not because it had a god that died or abandoned them, but because it never had a god to begin with. It was a powerful nation, built purely by humans, an unprecedented, flourishing, and glorious civilization. It was the pride of humankind. My memory has all but faded completely, but I will always remember how much she too loved these flowers.
Can I say it? Just once?
Only if you wish to suffer.
Get over here!
Who is he? Who is he? Who? Bro thinks he's Cardi!
I would do it to go number one.
Can you tell me something about Celestia?
Exist, yet they are all around us nonetheless.
When I met you in the summer, my heart beat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn black.